Hi everyone, welcome to this introduction to cost management. Today we are going to talk about what cost management is, why it is important, and how it fits into managerial accounting. We will also cover the difference between financial accounting and managerial accounting and look at some key activities in cost management. What is cost management? Cost management is a part of something bigger called managerial accounting. Managerial accounting is focused on providing information to managers within the company to help them make decisions. This is different from financial accounting, which is more about reporting financial information to outside partners like investors or regulators. In financial accounting, the goal is to create standardized reports like balance sheet and income statements for people outside the company. In managerial accounting, the goal is to provide managers with the information they need to run the company more efficiently. So, where does cost management fit in? Cost management is a part of managerial accounting that deals specifically with planning, controlling, and monitoring costs. It's about making sure that a company uses its resources in the most efficient way and that it doesn't overspend. Let's talk about three key activities in cost management, which are all part of managerial accounting. The first one is planning. This is where managers set goals and decide how to achieve them. For example, if a company wants to increase profit, the planning stage involves setting a budget and figuring out how much money can be spent. The second one is controlling. Once the plan is in place, managers need to make sure everything is on track. This is where cost management comes in. They monitor actual expenses and compare them to the budget. If something goes wrong, they can take action to fix it. The third one is decision making. Managers also need to make a smart decision based on the information they have. For example, they might need to decide whether to reduce costs by switching suppliers or cutting back on overtime. Let's look at the other example. Imagine a small company that makes eco-friendly water bottles. In the planning stage, the company sets a budget of $10,000 for materials, labor, and other expenses. During the controlling stage, they track their spending and notice that they spent $12,000 one month, going over budget. Now, in the decision-making stage, they need to figure out why and make adjustments, like finding a cheaper supplier or reducing overtime to stay within the budget. My question is, what is the goal of cost management? There are 5 main reasons companies use it. The first one is that it helps companies maximize financial performance by controlling expense. The second one, it ensures sustainable growth, meaning the company can keep growing without financial problem. The third one is it helps with budgeting and planning, giving managers a clear picture of where their money is going. The fourth one, it improves decision making, so managers can make smarter decisions. And the last one, it helps with cost control and efficiency, keeping businesses competitive. There are also 2 main methods that help companies manage costs. The first one is lean production and the second one is the theory of constraint. Lean production focuses on eliminating waste in the production process. Waste can include overproduction, waiting time, or excess inventory. A good example is just-in-time, where companies only order materials when they need them, reducing storage costs. Theory of constraint focuses on identifying and fixing bottlenecks or areas that slow down production. For instance, if our water bottle company has 2 production machines but only 1 packaging machine, the packaging machine in this case is the bottleneck, limiting how many bottles can be produced. The next question is, how cost management adds value? Cost management adds a lot of value to the company. It gives managers useful information for planning and also decision making. It also helps them control costs and keep track of the spending. It also motivates the employees by setting clear goals for performance. It also measures performance, helping managers see how well the company is doing financially. In summary, cost management is a key part of managerial accounting that helps businesses plan, control, and monitor their costs. By doing this, companies can stay on budget, improve efficiency, and make better decisions.